Okay, question 1. David and Matt are swimming lengths in a 25-metre pool. Matt swims 4 lengths in 125 seconds. So Matt is swimming 4 lengths, so it's 4 times 25 at steady speed. Okay, after 4 lengths, how far has Matt swum? So our equation is speed equals distance divided by time. And we are looking at after 4 lengths. Oh, we don't even need that equation. Okay, let's get rid of it. Okay, after 4 lengths, how far has Matt swum? Right, well, it's 25 metres per length. He's done 4 lengths, so that's 100 metres. Gosh, didn't need to go into the equation so soon. Okay, after 4 lengths, what is Matt's displacement? Right, okay, well, let me just picture this. It's easier sometimes to draw a little picture. Now, he's starting there and he's going up 1 length, then back for the 2nd length, up for the 3rd length, back for the 4th length. So actually, on the 4th length, he's right back where he started, and displacement is how far you are from your starting position, and therefore he has got 0 metres displacement. Now what I'm going to do is just tidy this up a bit. We've got 0 metres displacement and we've got 100 metres swum. So if I put that in there, 100 metres and then 0 metres. Okay, calculate the speed at which Matt is swimming. So now we need our equation finally. Speed equals distance divided by time, and that equals, what's my distance? My 100 metres divided by 125 seconds. Let's just get the calculator out. I shouldn't need the calculator for this anyway, but it's 0.8 metres per second. Okay. And then explain what Matt's velocity is during the first length. Now you need to decide on a way of describing the direction, because obviously during the first length he's swimming forwards, and on the 2nd length he's actually swimming, although he's not swimming backwards, he's swimming back to where he started from. Now, I'm wondering how they're going to describe that. What we can do is we can take a look at the mark scheme to see how this exam board, because this is a new exam board for us, isn't it? So we're whizzing backwards and forwards towards the mark scheme quite a lot. Let's have a look at the mark scheme. Now look, they've described it as up the pool. Look at that, up the pool. Okay, and down the pool, or they've used a positive number and a negative number. And look at what this mark scheme advises: accept explanations that include a direction or a positive and negative sign indicate that although the speed is the same, he is swimming in the opposite direction. So as long as you had described that, you would be okay. Let's go back and decide how we are going to do it. I quite like this idea of up the pool and down the pool, so I'm going to explain that velocity is the same. Okay, velocity is the same, but opposite directions. Okay, and we do as well need to say, let's put in a different colour, very difficult to do this without a stylus. The speed is, the velocity is going to be 0.8 metres per second. And you could say forwards and then 0.8 metres per second backwards. Perhaps using the plus and minus would have been more sensible in this case, but you get the idea anyway.